Finding the right CNC engraving machine can be difficult. Some models lack precision, others struggle with power, speed, or material compatibility. Whether you're engraving wood, cutting acrylic, or working with metal, you need a machine that's accurate, reliable, and easy to use. That's why we researched the web and user feedback to create this list of the top 5 best CNC engraving machines of 2026. These machines offer powerful performance, smart features, and excellent versatility for hobbyists and professionals alike. Check the links in the description for updated prices, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Number 5. Algolaser DIY Table CNC Laser Engraver. The Algolaser DIY Table CNC Laser Engraver is a versatile machine built for precision cutting and engraving on wood, acrylic, leather, and even some metal surfaces. It features a large 40 by 43 centimeter working area, along with a convenient 3.5-inch touchscreen for standalone control. Wi-Fi and phone connectivity make operations simple and modern, while the powerful laser module delivers clean and detailed engraving results. Its sturdy frame improves stability during operation, and the compact design fits well in home workshops. Great for DIY creators, small businesses, and custom craft projects. Number 4. LASERPECKER LP2 Handheld Laser Engraver. The LASERPECKER LP2 is one of the most portable CNC laser engravers available, designed for creators who want engraving power anywhere they go. This handheld machine features a 5-watt laser with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing wireless control directly from your smartphone. It engraves on wood, leather, cardboard, plastic, and coated metal with impressive speed and accuracy. The compact design makes it ideal for travel, craft fairs, or small workspaces, while the Smart app keeps operation beginner-friendly. Perfect for personalized gifts, branding, and lightweight DIY engraving projects. Number 3. TWOTREES TTC 450 Pro CNC Router. The TWOTREES TTC 450 Pro is a powerful 4-axis CNC router designed for wood carving, metal engraving, and precision milling tasks. Its large working area and durable frame provide excellent stability for demanding projects. The machine supports laser engraving attachments and includes advanced motion control for smoother cuts and detailed results. Compatible with multiple software platforms, it gives users flexibility for custom designs and professional workflows. With strong cutting performance and upgrade options, this CNC machine is ideal for makers, workshop owners, and serious DIY enthusiasts. Number 2. ACMER P2 33-watt Laser Engraving Machine. The ACMER P2 stands out with its powerful 33-watt laser module, capable of fast engraving and deep cutting on wood, acrylic, leather, and selected metal surfaces. Built-in Wi-Fi control and air assist technology improve cutting precision while reducing smoke and burn marks. Its sturdy CNC structure ensures stable performance even during long projects, while the high-speed engraving capability saves valuable time. This machine is excellent for creators who want professional-level engraving quality without moving to industrial equipment. Perfect for workshops, online businesses, and detailed custom production. Number 1. BulkMan 3D OXMAN CNC Router Kit. The BulkMan 3D OXMAN CNC Router Kit is the most advanced and industrial-grade machine on this list. Featuring SFU 1610 ball screws, dual linear rails, and a 4-axis design, it delivers exceptional precision and smooth movement for cutting wood, acrylic, aluminum, and other materials. Its heavy-duty construction minimizes vibration, improving engraving accuracy and cutting quality on large projects. The expandable design supports professional customization and upgrades, making it suitable for demanding workshops and commercial use. If you want industrial performance, durability, and professional-grade CNC capability, this machine is the ultimate choice. If you need precision cutting, detailed engraving, and reliable CNC performance, these machines are some of the best choices available today. From portable laser engravers to industrial-grade CNC routers, each model offers unique strengths for DIY creators and professionals alike. Which CNC machine is your favorite? Comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews.